Hi guys, welcome to our channel How to and Why, a channel where we try to provide tutorials on the things a majority or a small fraction of people find it a tad bit difficult. There are a lot of valid reasons why someone would want to run Android emulators on their PC. App developers may be trying to test their application before shipping it out. Gamers may want to use a mouse and keyboard on their games. Maybe you just want it there to have it. In any case, Android emulation on PC is possible, and we are going to take a look at the best Android emulators for PC. Please note, the process is really easy and some of this requires some technical knowledge. Note that there are a handful of Android emulators like EMULATOR, Android Studio, Andy, BlueStacks, etc. But today we will be showing MEmu, the emulator we find the best. Also note that Remix OS Player gets an honorable mention, but due to lack of support to AMD CPUs, we couldn't lay our hands on it. Also note that many of these emulators are made more or less the same way. It's a matter of finding the one that works for you. We'll try to include some of them in the video description, so make sure to check that out. Let's get started. So let's kick started by downloading MEmu, which is fairly a simple process. Fire up your browser and search for MEmu Play. Open the first link that opens, which will again direct you to the official download page. The download page is fairly organized, and the thing that intrigued us was that MEmu with its KitKat kernel has support for both AMD and Intel CPUs, which is a bit rare for the other emulators. However, for Lollipop, support for AMD CPUs aren't present yet. Click the download button, and in the meantime, head over to our channel and click on the subscribe button. Go on, we are waiting. So once you have subscribed and the download has finished, run the setup file, which is again fairly easy. But make sure to select a drive which has ample space, as emulators get very possessive when it comes to storage. Once installed, open MEmu and an Android home screen pops up. Now before you go crazy installing every other app there, tweak your settings correctly. Open the settings panel, set your CPU score, given you know how many cores your CPU rocks. As for the memory users with 8 GB or higher, assign that value to 4 GB, that is 4096 MB, or the resolution you can crack up to Full HD or keep it the same. Keep in mind that these settings will only be available after you restart the emulator. Once the settings has been dealt with, head over to Play Store. Google will suggest you to sign into with an account, so let's do that. If your purpose is for gaming on a bigger screen, which totally makes sense why you are using it, update Google Play Games and download the usual apps like Twitter, Instagram, more games. In the right hand side, there is an option named Key Mapping. You can enable that to assign the keyboard buttons as your controls for the ease of your gaming. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you will find this video interesting. Make sure to hit the subscribe button for more content, as I said earlier. Signing off for the day. Peace.